Welcome back. Step 1, power washing. House is complete, has been washed. All the shutters off, ready to be painted. Rick's over here now doing some caulking on the foundation. Put a little cement in there. Cement in the tube, works great. Also going around caulking all the windows. As you can see the frames here, we fill all the holes with the Crawford's putty. That's going to be sanded smooth. All gaps are going to be caulked. Done that on every window. Make sure it's a nice solid surface, no holes. Makes for a much better job. We'll go around and do all that. We're going to prep the foundation this afternoon. You can see where Rick is tuck pointing with cement in a tube. That's the best stuff in the world, isn't it, Rick?
Oh yeah.
Cement in a tube.
Yeah.
AY920, cement in a tube. Custom Coating's own special brand. Own special brand. Tomorrow we'll be back to sand the windows, apply 2 coats, Diamond Vogel's satin latex enamel to all the frames, the brick molding around all the frames. We're going to apply 2 coats of Diamond Vogel brand, elastomeric, to all the foundation to keep the moisture out. Again, Custom Coatings. Custom Coatings, doing the work. 829-5158. 309-829-5158. Get your free estimate today. Thanks and have a great day.